Hey there, creators! Wondershare just released Filmora 14 with some awesome new features for all creative folks. Today, we will show you Filmora features that make your video cinematic. If you want to become a pro at using these features, keep watching. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. What is cinematic video? A cinematic video is one that looks like a movie. The movie business has evolved significantly in terms of aspect ratio, color, and lighting techniques. When we say cinematic, we mean that it appears like a movie you'd watch in a theater. Elements for cinematic look: slow motion, reducing the speed of the shot and making the audience focus on certain elements in your footage. Color grading. Color grading is one of the essential tools to create cinematic sense in your video. Music. Music can make a huge difference in how your movie feels. After all, music is frequently utilized to control your emotions. Sound effects. Sound effects are essential to make your video sound cinematic. Adding sound effects in the right place changes the whole video feel. Filmora tools and features to make your video cinematic. Speed ramping. You can use Filmora speed or speed ramping feature to manipulate the speed. With speed ramping, you can choose the presets to manipulate the speed, or you can use a custom option and adjust the speed according to the need. Don't forget to use the frame interpolation feature when manipulating speed. It will make your whole slow motion much smoother. Color grading. Use the color tab and adjust the color in your video manually, using the color section to adjust temperature, tint, vibrance, and saturation. Then use the light section to adjust the exposure, brightness, contrast, highlight, shadow, white, and black levels. For further specific color adjustment, you can use the HSL tab to adjust the hue, saturation, and luminance of the particular color. Then you can use curves to create a cinematic feel. If you want to create a similar color scheme according to the movie, place the clip onto the timeline along with your clip, then use the AI color palette feature, click on Add, select the reference frame, and click on Generate, then save and apply. Music. Filmora offers a wide range of music libraries that suit all kinds of videos, or you can use AI Music Generator to create a piece of music in your own style and select the mood, theme, and genre. Sound effects. Filmora offers a wide range of sound effects. Along with that, Filmora also offers Sound Effects Generator, where the user can write a prompt and generate sound effects with just a few clicks. These are the few tools and features offered by Filmora to make your video cinematic. If you found this helpful, give us a big thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. If you're interested in visual effects and tutorials, check out filmora.wondershare.com. See you in the next video.